This is Anatoly with his little Russian hat on. Anatoly is my DJI Mic2, currently linked to the GoPro 13 that I'm using to film. So we'll do a little distance check on Anatoly. I reckon across my front yard's probably a good 30 metres. We'll walk to the fence and we'll see if we've still got sound all the way. Let's go. Talking and more talking. Hate to put my back to the camera, but such is life. I believe there might be a dog on the screen. I just saw him approaching me, coming up to the end of my fence line, which is plenty far enough. I don't know if you can still see me in the distance there waving, but here we go with our DJI Mic2 linked to the GoPro 13 via Bluetooth. Hello mate. Hello mate. Dog thinks this is all a little bit strange, and he's probably right. I'll just speak in normal talking tone and see what we pick up on the camera. And there we go. Back again. There's Anatoly. Hopefully he's done a great job. We'll have a look at the footage and we'll find out. Cheers.